Hey YouTube. Sorry I don't really post much right now, but I'm busy. So I made this handle and knob for my 18-inch metal brake I got from HarborFreight, and you can see there. I got this as an open box deal, and it didn't have a handle or a knob, so it's kind of, pointless without it, so that's why it was more than half off. I have these mini C-clamps that I'm using to hold this bar down. I've seen people have had issues with this bar. They like to modify it, put angle iron with a spring and other sorts of stuff, but I think if you just use these, depending on your sheet steel, I'm not going to be using it for super thick stuff. Just bring the C-clamps over to what you're working on, and away you go. These knobs are 3D printed, and it's on a 8-inch piece of 1/4-inch round stock with a 5/16 grade 8 bolt. And yeah, just want to do something, a little bit more, a little tougher than the ones that are on there. Tempered them a little bit with some heat so they don't really bend. Then I mounted it onto a piece of wood because I don't have a lot of space to just mount hardware. I just need a vise and my bench grinder, the only two that are hard mounted onto my workbench here. But yeah, I recommend it. I mean, if you can get one cheaper. And yeah, thanks for watching.